Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We are very happy to have you with us today.
Hello, everyone. It is great to be here. How are you today?
I am doing very well, thank you. How about you?
I am doing great. I feel happy today.
That is good to hear. Today, we have a very useful topic for English learners.
Yes, we do. Today we are going to have simple English conversation for beginners.
That sounds easy.
It is easy, but it is also very useful.
Exactly. We are going to talk about everyday life, family, work, food, hobbies, plans, and many other simple topics.
And remember, you do not need to understand every word the first time.
Listen carefully, relax, and try to understand the main idea.
You can also repeat the sentences after us.
Yes, repetition is a great way to practice English.
So, are you ready?
I am ready. Let's begin.
Great. Let's start with something very simple. How was your morning today?
My morning was good. I woke up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock? That is not too early.
No, it is not. I like to wake up at 7.
What did you do after you woke up?
First, I opened the window and got some fresh air.
Nice. Then what did you do?
I went to the bathroom, brushed my teeth, and washed my face.
That sounds like a normal morning.
Yes, then I made breakfast.
What did you eat?
I had 2 eggs, some toast, and a banana.
That sounds good.
What about you? What did you have for breakfast?
I had oatmeal and some fruit.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Almost every day. Sometimes I'm too busy.
I understand. When you are busy, breakfast can be difficult.
Yes, but I try not to skip it.
That is a good habit.
After breakfast, what did you do?
I took a shower and got dressed.
What did you wear today?
I wore a blue shirt, black pants, and white shoes.
That sounds simple and comfortable.
Exactly. I like comfortable clothes.
Me too. I do not like clothes that are too tight.
Neither do I.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Why do you like blue?
Because it is calm and peaceful.
That makes sense. My favorite color is purple.
Purple is beautiful. Do you wear purple clothes?
Sometimes. I have a purple sweater that I really like.
Nice. Is it your favorite sweater?
Yes, it is.
Now let's talk about where you live.
Good idea.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment.
Is your apartment big?
It is not very big, but it is comfortable.
How many rooms does it have?
It has a living room, a kitchen, 1 bedroom, and 1 bathroom.
That sounds nice.
Thank you. What about you?
I live in a small house.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I do.
What do you grow in your garden?
I grow flowers and a few vegetables.
Really? What vegetables?
Tomatoes, peppers, and carrots.
That sounds wonderful.
I enjoy working in the garden on weekends.
Do you like spending time outside?
Yes, very much.
What do you usually do outside?
I walk, relax, and sometimes listen to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music. Sometimes I listen to pop music.
Do you have a favorite singer?
I have a few favorites, but I don't have only one favorite.
I understand. I like many singers too.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I like pop music and sometimes slow songs.
Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, I usually listen to music when I'm cooking.
That sounds fun.
It is. Music makes cooking more enjoyable.
Speaking of cooking, what is your favorite food?
Oh, that is a difficult question.
Why?
Because I love many different foods.
You have to choose one.
Okay, I think my favorite food is pasta.
Pasta is a great choice.
What about you?
I love rice and chicken.
Do you cook it yourself?
Sometimes.
Are you a good cook?
I am getting better.
That sounds like a safe answer.
Maybe.
What is the best thing you can cook?
I can make a good omelet.
An omelet?
Yes, eggs, cheese, tomatoes, and onions.
That sounds delicious.
Thank you.
What food do you not like?
I do not like very spicy food.
Really? I love spicy food.
You do?
Yes, I like food with a lot of flavor.
I like flavor too, but I don't like food that makes my mouth feel like fire. That is funny. It is true.
Now let's talk about family.
Okay.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one older brother.
What is his name?
His name is Daniel.
How old is he?
He is 31.
Is he married?
Yes, he is married.
Does he have children?
Yes, he has one daughter.
That is nice. How old is she?
She is 4 years old.
She must be very cute.
She is. She loves to laugh and play.
What about you? Do you have brothers or sisters?
Wait, I asked you.
That is true. You got me.
So tell me about your family.
I have one younger sister.
What does she do?
She is a university student.
What does she study?
She studies business.
Does she enjoy it?
Yes, she really likes it.
That is good.
My parents live in another city, so I do not see them every day.
Do you talk to them often?
Yes, we usually call each other on weekends.
That is nice.
My family is very important to me.
Me too.
Now let's talk about pets.
Good topic. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is her name?
Her name is Bella.
What does she look like?
She is white with gray ears.
Is she friendly?
Very friendly, but she's also a little lazy.
What does she do all day?
She sleeps.
That sounds like a great life.
She also eats and watches birds through the window.
Does she go outside?
No, she stays inside.
Do you like dogs too?
Yes, I like dogs, but I have never had one.
I have a dog.
Really? Tell me about him.
His name is Max. He is very active.
What does he like to do?
He loves running and playing with a ball.
Does he like walking?
He loves walking.
How often do you walk him?
Usually twice a day.
That is good exercise.
Yes, for both of us.
Now let's talk about work.
Okay.
What do you do?
I work with people.
What kind of work do you do?
I work in an office.
Do you like your job?
Yes, some days are busy, but I enjoy my work.
What time do you start work?
I start at 8:30 in the morning.
And what time do you finish?
I usually finish at 5 o'clock.
That is a normal work day.
Yes.
Do you work from home?
No, I usually go to the office.
Do you like working in an office?
Yes, I like talking to my coworkers.
Do you have a coworker who is your good friend?
Yes, I do.
That makes work more enjoyable.
It really does.
What about you? Do you work or study?
I study.
What do you study?
I study English and communication.
That is very useful.
Yes, I want to improve my English every day.
That is a great goal.
Thank you.
What do you do when you finish studying?
I usually relax for a little while.
How do you relax?
I watch a movie or read a book. What kind of movies do you like? I like comedy movies
Why comedy?
because I like to laugh.
That is a very good reason.
What about you? What movies do you like?
I like adventure movies.
Do you have a favorite movie?
I have several favorites.
You always have several favorites.
I know, it is hard for me to choose just one.
That is okay.
Do you like watching movies at home or at the cinema?
I usually watch them at home
Why?
because I can sit on my comfortable sofa.
And eat snacks.
Exactly.
What is your favorite movie snack?
Popcorn.
Sweet or salty?
Salty.
I prefer sweet popcorn.
We are different again.
Yes, but that is okay.
Let's talk about hobbies.
Good idea.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading, walking, and taking pictures.
Taking pictures?
Yes, I like taking pictures of nature.
Mountains and trees?
Yes, also flowers, beaches, and sunsets.
That sounds beautiful.
What about you?
I like playing soccer.
Do you play every week?
Almost every weekend.
Do you play with friends?
Yes, we usually play on Saturday afternoon.
Who is the best player?
I think I am.
You think?
Of course.
That sounds very confident.
I have to believe in myself.
That is true.
Do you play any sports?
Not really, but I like walking.
Walking is good exercise.
Yes, I walk for about 30 minutes every evening.
That is a good habit.
Thank you.
Now, let us talk about the weekend.
I love weekends.
Me too. What are you going to do this weekend?
On Saturday, I'm going shopping with my sister.
What are you going to buy?
I need some new clothes.
What kind of clothes?
I need a new jacket and some shoes.
What color jacket do you want?
Maybe black.
Black is easy to wear.
Exactly.
What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I'm going to stay home and relax.
That sounds peaceful.
What are your weekend plans?
I'm going to visit my family.
Do they live near you?
Yes, they live about 30 minutes away.
That is not too far.
No, we're going to have lunch together.
What are you going to eat?
I'm not sure yet.
Maybe you will have your favorite food.
I hope so.
Now let's practice some useful questions.
Great idea.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Where do you live?
I live in a small city.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
What do you like to do?
I like reading and playing soccer.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice and chicken.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Excellent.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, listen to the questions and answer them yourself.
What is your name?
Take your time. You can answer with, my name is.
Where are you from?
You can say, I am from.
Where do you live?
You can say, I live in.
What do you do?
You can say, I am a, or I work as a.
What do you like to do in your free time?
You can say, I like to.
What is your favorite food?
You can say, my favorite food is.
Do you have a pet?
You can say, yes, I do, or no, I don't.
Great job.
Remember, you do not need long answers.
Simple answers are perfectly fine.
For example, I am from Jamaica.
I live in a small town.
I like music.
My favorite food is pizza.
I have a dog.
These are simple sentences, but they are useful.
Very useful.
And the more you practice, the easier English becomes.
Do not worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes are normal when you learn a language.
The important thing is to keep speaking.
Keep listening.
Keep practicing.
And keep learning.
I hope today's conversation helped you.
I hope you learned some useful English sentences.
Now we have a small challenge for you.
In the comments, write 3 sentences about yourself.
You can write your name, your country, and one thing you like.
For example, my name is David. I'm from Mexico. I like music.
That's all you need.
Keep your English simple.
Be confident.
And practice every day.
Thank you so much for listening.
We're happy that you spent this time with us.
Keep practicing your English.
And remember, you do not need to be perfect.
You just need to keep trying.
See you in the next conversation.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. Keep learning and keep speaking English.
Goodbye.